What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So on today's episode I got some stuff ceramic coated. Let me show you. So here's what I got. So I sent this out to get ceramic coated in black. So this will help with the heat, and it also looks great. So I'm really liking this finish. I should have gone ahead and done the housing on the turbo, but oh well, I'm gonna put a turbo blanket on that thing, so that should help with the heat as well. Anyway, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do today is install all that and finish everything behind the engine here. So all the oil lines, the alternator, get the belt on, installed, and start working towards the front of the car here. I want to install all the tubing that I made for it, the intake manifold as well. So yeah, hopefully I have all that installed, ready to go. The radiator, the intercooler, which has been sitting there for a while now, just waiting its turn. Because what I'm gonna be doing on the next video that you see is I'm gonna start working on the intercooler piping. So I gotta get all this stuff wrapped up. So yeah, stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy this video. Oops, let me get this out of the way here. You're not supposed to see that. Well, let's start with the easy stuff. So I got the drain all hooked up. Down there is still not tight because I gotta do the other end to the turbo. And then I got the oil feed installed here. And then I'm gonna have to rotate the other side here, pointing down. So I gotta undo it a little bit, and then I'll probably do P clamps over here on the firewall, just to keep it away from all the exhaust and all that that's going on down here. Yeah, so after I do that, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put the alternator on, and that is boring stuff. I'm pretty sure you don't want to see any of that, and I'll catch you guys with an update here. There you go guys, it's all blacked out, installed for the last time, hopefully. I'm gonna do the oil lines now, but that's, that's boring stuff. You don't want to see that. So I'm gonna take care of that, and then it's time to start moving up to the front here. Alrighty guys, so I did some work off of camera here. So I got the belt on, I got the knock sensor, got the oil filter housing installed with my this replaces the oil cooler, the factory oil cooler, and it converts it into two AN lines for the external oil cooler. So I got that done there. Got the master cylinder installed there with the line running back there. What else did I do here? think that's it. I think that's all I did off camera. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install the lower tubing piece that I got for here, and then the upper. Alright guys, look at this. It's all put together now, huh? It's looking like a car again. So I'm gonna go ahead now and move on to the oil cash can and the coolant reservoir. And then after that we're gonna do the radiator. Well, big problem. That's what happens when you change plans. So this oil cash can is not gonna work there. So you can see this thing is way too close. I can't put a AN line right on there. Yeah. So this one is not good no more. We'll see. If I can't relocate it somewhere else, I'm gonna have to scrap it and make a new one. Maybe make it smaller. I don't know. Gotta think of something else. So that's not gonna work. So move on to the reservoir. Hopefully that one works. Alright, so this one worked. Whew, thank God, because yeah, I'm gonna have to redo this one. I'm thinking probably cutting it shorter, but then this thing will not be in place, so I'm probably gonna have to do like a new top plate and the side plate and just move this back a whole bunch for clearance. So yeah, what a bummer, but yeah, that's how it is sometimes. All right, move on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do now the radiator. Whoa, what happened? Everything is installed now. Sorry guys, I did a live stream on YouTube, and I kind of put this stuff together on the live stream, and sorry I left you all hanging on this video. But yeah, so you can see here, I got the Mishimoto radiator installed here with the fan and the shroud, and then I also threw in the JMF manifold just to see, you know, what kind of clearances I got here. And it's looking pretty tight. As you can see here, the throttle body is coming this way towards the turbo, right? So the only way, and then I got the hot side on the intercooler pipe coming down on this side as well. So that will mean I'm gonna have to get an intercooler with two ins and out on one side. I don't want to do that. The one I got here is one on each side, right? Which is perfect from this guy to go down and into it. Small little pipe there. And then over here, I'll have to make the turn and then do a U-turn. But I don't want to do that, so I'm thinking I'm just gonna cut the manifold right below where it comes down. Cut it right there. And instead of doing a turn, I'm just gonna come straight down with a throttle body on it. And the pipe would just come around and go up into it. So that's the plan. I hope plans don't change again. Like that guy, that thing's still hurting me. All right, because I should have checked that. So my dumb ass making mistakes. Anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and install the two headlights here and the hood pins, and then drop it down. See how everything looks. Get a little excited for this. It's looking mean. Always love these headlights. Just gives it a mean look. Alright. So yeah, that's I think that pretty much wraps up this video, guys. It's kind of a short one, but you know, it's progress. I ordered all my intercooler pipes, so that should be the next video. Making all the intercooler pipes. And actually, you know what? Let's install the intercooler. Yeah, what the hell? Let's just do that. So that's weird. Two holes don't line up. Wonder what happened there. I got it to pull on it with my hand and they lined up a little bit better, but that's weird. That was definitely not like that when I sent it out to powder coat. And I think it's because it didn't have an engine in it. Maybe the weight of the engine is kind of spreading apart the frame rails a little bit. That's what I'm thinking. Got it to go in anyways, but so yeah, that's why you saw me taking it back off again. Anyway, continue. Alright, here it goes. Intercooler installed. This is a 1235, by the way. I get asked a lot what intercooler I got. That's a 1235, meaning 12 inches high, 3.5 inches wide. Now how long it is, I don't know. But that's what the numbers mean. Alright, sweet. So again guys, so the next episode we're gonna go ahead and start working on the intercooler pipe, you know, cutting the manifold, all that stuff that's gonna keep you up at night. But it's looking pretty much like a complete car again. Everything is finished up, so hopefully, finger crossed, and we get it to start up soon. So thank you all so much. Subscribe to the channel. A lot of you don't subscribe, you're just watching the video but you're not subscribed to it. And hit that little bell so you get notifications. So anyways, see you next time. Bye.